Hi everyone! As I explained in the introduction, there are two kinds of scripts in writing Japanese, which are basic Japanese alphabet. One is Hiragana, and the other one is Katakana. It's very important to learn them, because if you know the two kinds of script, you'll be able to read all the Japanese books for kids and Japanese textbooks for beginners. So first, I'll be guiding you how to read Hiragana. Please prepare your notebook and a pen. You're going to practice writing Hiragana with me. There are 46 letters in basic Hiragana as you see. I'll explain how to read this table. Usually, you read sentences left to right. However, this is our traditional way that we are gonna start reading the letters from the top on the right to the very bottom. Basically, we read right to left. There are only 5 vowels. In this lesson, let's write together the 5 vowels. A, I, U, E, O. Are you ready? So, let's start with A. This romaji will help you read Hiragana, but it's not English, so the pronunciation is A, it's not A. Please write together with me. Let's start. 1, 2, and then 3. A. The second one is I. It's not I, it's I. Let's start. 1, then 2. I. I. Next one is U. It's not you, it's U. Let's start. 1, then 2. U. U. Very good. So the next one is E. It's not E. This is E. Let's write. 1, 2, like this. E. E. Okay, and then this is O. 1, 2, then 3. O. O. Okay, so that's all for the 5 vowels. I just want to let you know one thing, that most of Japanese learners got confused with A and O. They are a bit similar. Now you see the difference. A on the left and O on the right. The one with the small stroke is O. Just to remember. Well done. So from now on, let's review together. The letters will show up one by one. Please pronounce if you still remember. What is this? I. Next one. What is this? A. What is this? U. What is this? Or what is this? Very good. So you learned the 5 vowels A, I, U, E, O in this lesson. So please review on your own, and when you're ready, let's go to the next lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. So see you in the next lesson.